This is your living and dining area. You can see how spacious the kitchen area is. You can see how spacious the bedroom is. And hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project L&T Christoria Estate by L&T Realty. Behind me is the actual land parcel. And this is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. On the left, the road leads to Panvel and the road to the right leads to Lonavala. But before that, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike current listing platforms, where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project is spread across a massive land parcel of 35 acres that will have 5 towers with ground plus 35 floors, offering 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Now let's talk about the location and connectivity of the project. This project is located on Bokarpada, Panvel, Navi Mumbai, from where International Airport is just 15 minutes away, Atal Setu is 30 minutes away and Mumbai-Pune Expressway is 15 minutes away. Talking about the amenities, this project has a 50,000 square feet clubhouse with pool, gym, kids play area, multi-play court and many other amenities. Now let's see the sample flat of 3 BHK. So now we will be doing the sample flat tour of 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1440 square feet. On the right is the servant room. It is the exit and entry of the servant room. But before that, let's enter the home. Here is your spacious foyer area. And on the right is the kitchen. चलिए kitchen देखते हैं. As you can see how spacious the kitchen area is. And you get 2 parallel granite platforms. अपने cabinets customize करा सकते हो. Moving forward, here is your dry area. You can place your washing machine or dishwasher. And from the dry area, you get the access to the servant room. The servant room has an attached washroom. The washroom comes with anti-skid tiles and all high-end fittings. Here you can place your refrigerator. Moving forward, this is your living and dining area. You can see how spacious this is. You can comfortably place your sofa. Attached to the living room is your deck. And here is your dining corner. Moving forward, let's move to the first bedroom. You can see how spacious the bedroom is. You can comfortably place a king-size bed along with side tables. You can see even after placing all the furniture, you get plenty of walkable space. Here you get half French windows with glass facade for standing balcony view. And here you get wardrobe space. And here comes your attached washroom. You get anti-skid tiles with all high-end wall fittings. Moving forward to the second bedroom. On the left is your second bedroom. Again, you can see how spacious this bedroom is. You can comfortably place a king-size bed along with side tables or maybe a dressing table. Here you get half French windows with glass facade. And here you get your wardrobe space. Here is your powder washroom, anti-skid tiles and all high-end wall fittings. Before moving to the third bedroom, that is the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, actual location tours, full pricing details including EMI and down payment options. We tell you the pros and cons of the project and also give you virtual 360-degree tours. So what are you waiting for? Book your free site visit on housey.com. Now let's move to the master bedroom. You can see how spacious the foyer area is to ensure your privacy. You can see how spacious the bedroom is, and there's so much walkable space even after placing all the furniture. You can easily place a king size bed along with side tables. Here comes your full French windows, and here is your deck area. You can place your tea table. Here is your wardrobe space. You can see how spacious this is. You can build your loft if you wish to. Here comes your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and all high-end wall fittings. So this was the sample flat tour of the residential project L&T Christoria Estate by L&T Realty. For more details, download the e-brochure mentioned in the description below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.